Hi friend, how are you? Today we will make a text effect in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. Create a rectangle with round corner. Rotate it. Now duplicate this object and flip horizontally. Change the color of this object. Match carefully bottom of these objects. Now select both objects and duplicate. Match top of this object carefully. Duplicate. Select all these objects. Object, go to path and click on object to path. Select these object, click on union. Arrange this object like this. Duplicate this object, move here, again duplicate this object and drag here. Match here carefully. Apply gradient color. We have to also apply gradient color on this object. Also apply gradient color on this object. Edit gradient color. Select this object and duplicate. Apply dark color and select all dark object. Go to object, click on clip set. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.